direct hair implantation, which is very important. No FUE, not another technique. This is what you should follow. First of all, I start to search option for hair transplantation, and I was surprised that in India I can find a clinic with DHI, which is very good for me, not required go to abroad. I just want to be more fresh and more young than 38.
So you have to think of a long term. You will definitely look younger, you will definitely look very good. So don't worry about that.
100% trust to you.
So excited to do this movement. 1 year I spent to get research and the most important right decision, right choice. At DHI, which I got to know, this is direct implantation when we can decide the angle of hair, and it will be looks more better. And after this hair implantation, no one can say like, you did an transplantation. So I want to say that your team take care of me like a baby.
Try and sleep, get some sleep.
Yeah. Now I reach Goa.
Did you take the tablet in the morning?
Yes. And I won't suggest to people who won't take a decision to go for hair transplantation. So you should choose DHI.